Starting at the gym can be a little scary. Don't worry, we all started somewhere. It's completely normal to feel a bit overwhelmed at first. The important thing is to take that first step and walk through the door. Let's talk about gym etiquette. It's all about respect. Respect for the equipment, respect for the space, and most importantly, respect for each other. Always wipe down machines after use and put weights back where they belong. It makes the gym a better place for everyone. A positive environment encourages everyone to do their best and feel comfortable. Remember, everyone is there for the same reason, to get healthier. Whether it's to build strength, improve endurance, or just feel better overall, we all share a common goal. Some people are just starting out like you. They might feel just as nervous or unsure, so don't hesitate to smile or say hello. Others have been at it for years. Be nice to everyone. Experienced members can be a great source of advice and motivation. We are all in this together. Group workouts can be a fantastic way to stay motivated and make new friends. You will see people of all shapes and sizes at the gym. That's okay. The gym is a place for everyone, regardless of where they are in their fitness journey. Everyone is on their own fitness journey. Some might be training for a marathon, while others are just trying to stay active. Focus on your own goals. Set realistic targets and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone progresses at their own pace, and that's perfectly fine. Be patient with yourself and others. Progress takes time, and it's important to stay positive and persistent. Learning new exercises takes time. We all start somewhere. Don't be afraid to ask for help or guidance from trainers or fellow gym goers. Just keep showing up and doing your best. Consistency is key, and over time you'll see the results of your hard work. What you wear to the gym matters. You want to be comfortable and cool. Choose clothes that are breathable and allow you to move freely. Workout clothes should be practical. They should not restrict your movement. Avoid clothes that are too loose. They can get caught on equipment. Proper footwear is essential. Wear supportive athletic shoes. These protect your feet and give you good grip. The right shoes can also help prevent injuries. Remember, you are at the gym to work out. Leave the jeans and flip-flops at home. Choose clothes that make you feel good and ready to move. The gym can get crowded. Be mindful of your personal space. Give others plenty of room to exercise. Don't stand too close to people. Avoid walking in front of someone while they are exercising. This can be distracting and even dangerous. Wait for a safe moment to pass. When using equipment, give others space. Don't crowd the area. Let people finish their sets before asking to use the equipment. Remember, the gym is a shared space. Be respectful of others and their need to move freely. A little consideration goes a long way. Section 4. Clean up your act. Hygiene is super important at the gym. Always wipe down equipment after you use it. This simple act ensures that the next person using the equipment has a clean and safe experience. This prevents the spread of germs and bacteria, which can cause illnesses. Use the disinfectant spray and towels provided by the gym. They are there for a reason, so make sure to use them every time. Wipe down the seat, handles, and any other surfaces you touch. This includes weights, machines, and even yoga mats. Every surface you come into contact with should be cleaned. It's a small act of kindness that makes a big difference. Not only does it show respect for others, but it also helps maintain a healthy environment for everyone. Wash your hands frequently. Use soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. If you can't wash your hands, use hand sanitizer. Make sure it contains at least 60% alcohol to be effective. Bring your own towel to wipe away sweat. Place it on equipment to protect yourself and others. This not only keeps the equipment clean, but also provides a barrier between you and any germs. Good hygiene keeps everyone healthy and happy. By following these simple steps, you contribute to a positive and safe gym environment. Remember, a clean gym is a happy gym. Section 5. Put it back. When you're done with weights or equipment, put them back where they belong. This keeps the gym organized and safe for everyone. Don't leave weights lying around. Someone could trip over them. Re-rack your weights after each set. If you use a mat, put it away when you are finished. Don't leave it on the floor. Return it to its designated storage area. Remember, everyone is responsible for keeping the gym tidy. By putting things back in their place, you create a more pleasant environment for all. Section 6. Time to unplug and work out. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the constant notifications and distractions from our phones. But when you step into the gym, it's time to put all that aside. The gym is a place to focus on your workout. It's a sanctuary where you can dedicate time to improving your physical health and mental well-being. Try to limit phone use. By doing so, you can fully engage in your exercises and get the most out of your workout session. It can be distracting to you and others. Constantly checking your phone can break your concentration and disrupt the flow of your workout. If you need to take a call, step outside to a designated area. This ensures that you maintain the gym's atmosphere of focus and respect for others. Keep your phone conversations brief and quiet. This way, you can quickly return to your workout without losing momentum. Avoid texting or scrolling on your phone between sets. Instead, use this time to catch your breath, hydrate, and mentally prepare for the next set. This can eat into your rest time and make your workout less effective. Proper rest between sets is crucial for muscle recovery and overall performance. Remember, you are at the gym to work hard and improve yourself. Every minute counts, so make the most of it. Stay focused on your fitness goals. Visualize your progress and let that drive you to push harder. Leave your phone alone and make the most of your workout time. Embrace the moment, challenge yourself, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.